Like a lot of things in Xara, Andy, there are lots of different ways of doing it. This is my preferred solution. Here I've just got this a screen grab from Google Maps, and say this was the building that I was interested in, and this building to the left here has got scaffolding up it. This building here is a very narrow little house, and all the rest of it here I don't particularly want. I want to highlight this particular Georgian building in the middle. So what I could do is I could just highlight that building. I'll give that a green colour just so we can see what's going on underneath. I'll give that 50% transparency. I'll control copy that image, control shift V to paste it exactly back in the same space, and go control shift B just to send it back one. And there, that's the green box here is where I want to highlight that image, and I want to degrade the rest of the image, so to speak. First and foremost, what I'll do is go to the contour tool, and I'm just going to make this rectangle a bit bigger. I'm going to make it 50%. And I only want the inset path, I don't want it to with that, so I'll just hit inset path, so it just becomes one thing, one rectangle, one shape here, and click that image below it and that, so I've got two shapes, two objects selected, and go control 3, which is arrange combined shapes, intersect shapes. Okay, nothing appears much to have happened, but if I move this down here, you can see that you've got the background image here, and you've got this copy of that one there. I'm going to select the background image, go to the, I call it the camera tool, is it camera tool or what, and go to photo temperature, blur and sharp, and I want to blur this background image, and I can blur it down as much as you want. That's a -100 there. With this foreground part of the image, I can apply feathering to get that. And I think, as you can see, that foreground image stands out from the background image. The blur obviously is way too big, but this is the beauty of using Xara, because nothing's destructive, so you can adjust this as you want. Making that blur there. If you're still unhappy that certain parts of the image aren't blurred enough, you can select the foreground part of the image, and just for a minute I'll take that blur off it, or that feathering off it altogether, using the shape editor tool, shape tool as you call it now. I can slowly pull that back in a bit, selecting the nose, and pull that back in a bit. Then I can reapply some feathering to make it stand out a bit more. Select the background image and make the blur more, so coming up, and you can then carry on adjusting it as you want. If you don't like the way that car is disappearing, you can go into your freehand tool, wait till it turns to that little pencil with a tilde above it, just do that like that. Similarly with that van, slide that around like that, it comes back, and that gives you that. You can then click on that, arrange, create bitmap copy. You don't want it with alpha, you just want true color, create. And that's your final image with the building that you want to highlight and the background images taken away. You can go further than that if you want. If you hit the background image, and let's go to the photo tool again. No, I'm not going to go to the photo tool, I'm just going to go to the photo. Select the photo, go to the color editor, let's put this up here, and if I make the light contone white and the other one black, you can see you can stand that image out even more. It's blurred, and now the background image is grayed out as well. Anyway, that's why I'd do it. Hope this helped. All the best, Egg.